Welcome to today's Paint and Draw Together video. My name is Lela, and today I will be sharing with you how my father taught me to sharpen pencils long time ago and never break the lead. Considering that some of the pencils can be quite pricey, I consider this skill quite valuable for today's artist, especially those pencils which have very thick and soft core. If we use regular sharpeners, I'm sure everybody is upset when the lead breaks. In this way, by using utility knife, we are in full control and we can very slowly and very precisely sharpen the pencil. So the procedure is to take utility knife or very sharp knife and then go around and slowly remove wood which surrounds the core. It does need to go in circle, which means small amounts all the way around, and then another small amount all the way around, catching the ridge, and then repeating the same process over and over again. I will let you watch so that you can learn by watching. Once the pencil is sharpened, usually I do not sharpen the core. I use paper and painting or drawing to sharpen it as I go. And if I need shading, I use the side of the pencil, which additionally sharpens the tip, as you can see. it's very easy to obtain sharp point in the soft pencils if you just rub the side of the pencil. If I need very precise lines, then there is still sharp edge all around, which can be used to accomplish exactly that. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you in the next video.